one or two messages of love and support that I received from the tribe. So the first one is from Saranya. Saranya is saying, "Thank you, AJ, for coming back. We missed you. I missed all my tribe. I came to know you from 2019, and yes, only through you, the universe made me to know LOA. If this is the case for any of you who got to know about law of attraction first from me or through my videos, do let me know in the comment. I'm excited to read all the comments. Then Saranya is continuing, saying, "Thank you for your simple, effective way of making things awesome in my life. The thing I notice in this time period of your absence is like we know the law of attraction, we know positivity, but whenever we lack our little lower, one way or other, your video will come up that will keep us on track back. So my request, so my kind request is that please continue your awesome videos for the small wonderful tribe of yours. My tribe is super awesome and I'm grateful to all of you. And as I said, here onward, when we started this Ask Ajay series, I and my team has committed that we are going to continuously publish videos and especially giving all of you insights along with many tools, techniques, and processes. And not just only about law of attraction or manifestation, but about various areas of transformation and how the world is changing and how you can adapt to that change so that you can grow and prosper in all areas of life, may it be career, may it be business, may it be the transition that is happening in the world in terms of job, artificial intelligence, so many things. The key is to keep yourself in the flow so that you can create success. So that's what we are going to do. YouTube might show other LOA coaches video, but trust me, people who came to know LOA through you can never fit to other channels like yours. Words can't explain the vibe. Thank you for reading this long message. Thank you so much, Saranya. Thank you, everyone, for all your love and all your positivity. And I'm super grateful to all of you for all the love, and especially those of you who got to know about the law of attraction and manifestation through my videos. I'm immensely grateful. Those of you who feel deeply connected to me as your coach, like the way Saranya is feeling, that's truly awesome, truly true blessing for me. And I'm immensely grateful to all of you. And today is our 10th episode. And see, all of you are missing me. And then I'm back, and already we are on 10th videos on his flow, and we'll continue. So let's go to the first question of the day. It is from Rohit. Rohit is asking, I'm so happy and grateful that AJ posted videos in YouTube. Thank you so much, Rohit. AJ, I request you to do more videos on how to manifest job, as currently world is facing recession, layoff, and development of artificial intelligence. Yes, what I was talking about, Rohit has asked. And this is a very, very amazing question. Rohit, fantastic. So first of all, when it's come to manifesting our job, one thing I want all of you to understand is, see, world keep on going through ups and downs, changes, recessions, layoffs, so many changes, technological changes will happen. But one thing always remember, people who are focused, people who continuously work on themselves on every dimension, mentally, emotionally, professionally, upgrade their skill, and they are always adapt to change. So one of the most important advice for Rohit and everyone who is getting worried about recession, layoff, and especially artificial intelligence, as all of you are know, chat gpt is here, and so many people are fearful of losing their jobs. And when internet was there, and especially in the 90s, so many people have employees in banks, insurance corporations, so many people have this fear that internet will come and take away jobs. One thing I want all of you to remember always is, technology will evolve, and technology will only make our life more efficient and smooth. But what we have to do as an individual, as a professional, as a student, as an employee, as a business owner, whatever we are doing, what we have to do is, rather than resisting the change, rather than thinking that, oh, chat gpt is here, oh, artificial intelligence is here, oh, I may lose my job, rather than doing that, we adapt to the change, and we look at how the transition is happening, how the technology can be adapted to your profession or your vocation, and how you can quickly upgrade yourself so that you have the mind of the growth mindset, so that your mind is set on the bigger goal. How can this new change is happening, how can I quickly learn, use it, and I quickly grow my career so that I can get my dream job or next big jump within this time of change. And let me tell you one thing I have seen in my life when I was working in the job. uh, Whether you are aware about it or not, I'm a mechanical engineer, and then I worked around 10 years in engineering and management profile, and I worked with MNCs like Alstom and Accenture as a management consultant. And I always changed my job during the time of recession, and I got double or triple the salary when I was in my corporate job. And that's when I understood the power of mind, like how the law of attraction is working. Because there are two dimensions to our success. One is the mental dimension, which is like the mindset, which is like how positive we are, how excited we are, how much we align. And the professional dimension, like how much you are upgrading your skill. Like I was an expert in project management, and I was the best in it. So I had the mindset and I had the professional skill set. So when both the things are there, and you know that no recession, no layoff, no technology change can take away your job, but you look forward, how can you adopt it for your growth? You can thrive in this transformation. And ever since I become a life coach, a law of attraction coach, I have trained so many people, and so many people who are part of my programs, they have manifested double the salary during recession. When people were getting layoff, they got new jobs, they got better jobs, they got their dream job. And right now also, when this artificial intelligence revolution is happening, this chat gpt revolution is happening, let me tell you, if you can understand it the right way and you can adopt it in the right way, you can thrive. Because the more technology will penetrate our work, there will be more demand of greater intelligence, greater thinking, greater focus. And those who upgrade, they can always thrive to the top. So that's why when this kind of transition is happening, always remember, people who try to resist the change, people who don't want to adopt it, people who don't want to do it, then they fall back. And why they fall back? It's not because of their professional lack of professional competency, it's because of the lack of the growth mindset. When there is growth mindset, you look for the opportunity, you look for the change, you upgrade yourself and you move forward. And those of you who want, if you are a business owner or a professional or a corporate professional, engineer, manager, sales, and if you are, or a writer, if you are thinking that you want me to make a video on detailed video on this, how you can adapt to this transition happening in artificial intelligence, chat gpt and all these things, and how you can use these tools or transition into your advantage to skyrocket your career, do let me know in the comments so that I can make a dedicated video. Because I always stay at the top of the technological transformation, and today I am deeply using artificial intelligence and chat gpt and all these tools, and I know how they work, how you can get the maximum efficiency out of them. I always love to be on the forefront of technological transformation. And if you want, of course I haven't made videos like that before in this channel, but I think if you need, I can make and share those videos. Because what I teach to my team and people in my close circle, I teach all of them all these things. The close circle, the inner circle, business owners and professionals, where there are like director level people from companies like Infosys, TCS, government of India, business owners, I teach them all these things in my inner circle. But if you want me to share some insights in the channel, then do let me know, I'll be happy to. And Rohit, fantastic question, I believe you got deep insight. Let's go to the next question. Next is from Kumeshwari. She's saying like, I started to meditation. I started to meditation to alignment, but I feel so negative badly. I don't understand that what happened with me. See, when you are doing meditation for alignment, but you are feeling negative, first of all, it's because you have lot of negativity and negative beliefs are there, your vibes are inherently negative. That's why when you are sitting for meditation and trying to align, when mind is calming down, when you are reclaiming your focus and using it in your mind, you get to know all the negative things that is going inside of you. And first of all, this is a very normal state, because many people are carrying a lot of negativity, negative beliefs, but to run away from these negative beliefs, they are always focused on the outward things. They try to get distracted with something external than solve what is internal. A few years back, I attended a 10-day silent retreat called Vipassana. If any of you have attended Vipassana, do let me know in the comment. And in that 10 days process, it is considered to be the process through which Buddha got enlightened. Uh, in this 10 days process, you don't even talk to anyone, you do not read books, you do not use mobile, you do not do anything. You just only meditate, meditate, meditate. You wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning, and till night you meditate only. You just have 1 meal a day, and you meditate, and you do not look at even to anyone. You don't talk to anyone, you don't read any books, you don't. So that when you start meditating, and that meditation is all about listening to what is going inside your mind, what is going inside your body. So initially, when you distract, when you cut off from the world and you start listening what is going inside, all the negativity started popping up. All the negative imprints that you have been carrying for maybe years started popping up. And then as you see them, as you observe them, as you let go of them, slowly all those things resolve. Slowly you start getting answers. So, first of all, one thing is, if you are meditating and negative thoughts are coming, do not fight with it, do not feel bad, continue to meditate. Slowly, these things will settle down. Second thing, if any particular kind of negativity is coming up, maybe some anger is coming up, maybe some fear is coming regarding money or health or relationship or something, or some particular person you are getting angry regarding your parents or some friends or some relatives or your partner or someone, then remember that's the indication that you are holding lot of negativity towards these people or this area. Start using some other techniques like affirmation, gratitude, some other techniques that I have given in my channel, to start cultivating positive beliefs towards that, so that this negativity will go away and replaced with positivity. And if this is an insight, let me know. Let's dive into the next question. Okay, it is from Imran. Imran, fantastic. You have been writing a lot of positive messages in the comment section. Now, here is your question. My question is, I did your meditation of attracting a text message from someone special. I was doing great, but I wasn't able to focus on my work then. My work needs my complete attention, anything about it. So, first of all, you have to, and this is a message for you and everyone, we always should remember that our work is one of the top priorities in our life, because your work belongs to you. So many people get distracted with the wrong relationship, with some challenges in other areas of life, and they forget about their work. Remember, that's your karma, that's your purpose. So before you start focusing on anything, always spend time and energy in focusing on your work. Always have a goal in your work. Always have something progressive, something growth oriented at your work. Whether that is like going to the next position, if you are in a job, growing your business, if you are running a business or a self employed professional, if you are a student, scoring the best outcome, best marks, or being best in sports or athletics or some curricular activities, building a career, building a focus, earning more money, earning more success, earning higher position. That is one of the goal. You should always have some goals about work, and that should be the primary driving force for you. And when you have a purpose, when you are passionate about something, when you have a worthy goal, when you start following, let me tell you, many other things of your life will fall in a positive way. Because people who are working on their career, people who are working on their purpose, they have a different energy. Then you become a different level of, create a different level of attraction. People find it so fascinating towards you. You have always seen people towards like there are people towards whom many people get attracted, not just because of their looks, but people get attracted when they have a different energy. They are so passionate about their work. When they talk, they radiate so much of positivity, they radiate so much of energy, they radiate so much of possibilities, and that makes them really really attractive. That makes them really someone magnetic, and that's where all the right people, right resources get aligned. So What you have to do, meditate for your work, set some interesting goals, set some interesting insights, and focus on it and go for it. And those of you who are watching, you want me to make some videos on how to have worthy purpose and goals so that it will make you magnetic and it will make you more attractive and more aligned and give you the purpose and passion to grow in life, then do let me know in the comment. Let's go to the next question. This is from Shweta. Shweta is asking, I know about law of attraction and I manifested yellow dog, smiley, text messages, etc. But I'm not able to manifest my dream. I can't even visualize my future. Why? Please help me to manifest my life partner, not specific person. So first of all, if you are not able to manifest your dream, I have recently in this Ask Ajay series only 2 videos I have made on why some people are not manifesting their dreams. And one of the major reason is the alignment is missing. And why the alignment is missing in your dream? Because there are a lot of negative beliefs you are holding to your dreams, towards your dreams. Now, why you manifest this dog, smiley, rainbow, and all the small manifestation are working, but why not the big one? Because when it's come to the small manifestation, there are no resistances. That's why the alignment is happening fast. The reason I have given all of you so many small manifestations, because to give you an understanding that when there is no resistance, how easily you can manifest thing. But when there is resistance, why in spite of even putting effort you are not manifesting? So that's why if you are struggling to manifest your dreams, what you have to sit back and ask yourself, what kind of fears, doubts, negative beliefs I'm holding towards this? And then you start working on using some tools, techniques, processes to overcome those negativity, to change those negativity and get aligned. And remember, to get aligned, meditation is a great way, but meditation or visualization is not the only way. Everyone do not have to visualize to manifest their dreams. Now let me tell you, if you are aware about it or not, we have a 22 days manifestation program called Make Your Life Awesome. Those of you who have done it and those who haven't done it, let me tell you, through this Make Your Life Awesome program, in this 22 days manifestation, I teach interesting, awesome, powerful manifestation techniques, and they are easy to apply. They are fantastic way to get aligned with your dream. And people have manifested all kind of things, from dream job to money to manifesting iPhone to manifesting relationship to healing, health for themselves, for their loved ones, for so many things. And let me tell you, there is absolutely not a single meditation or visualization has been used in that program. All different techniques of alignment. And if you haven't done it, you can check our Big Manifestation Academy. I'll put the link to that program. If you like, you can join that program. The key is alignment has to be happen with your dreams. The key is resistance should go away, and whether you can achieve that through meditation or visualization, or if you are not good at visualization, achieve that through 22 days of manifestation journey. Whatever get you aligned will get you manifest. Let me tell you, whatever get you aligned will get you manifest your dreams. That's the key. So start manifesting, start getting aligned. Do not worry about 1 or 2 things you are not able to do it. Focus on alignment, focus on manifestation, focus on manifesting your dreams, and the dreams will get manifested. And those of you who want to join, I'll put the link to the manifestation program in the description section. You can go and check. If you like, you can join. Absolutely, no compulsion. So this was our episode 10 of Ask Ajay series. I'll see you in the next episode, and keep asking your questions so that I can apply and give you insight. If this video is an eye opener for you, if this video was insightful for all of you, do hit the like button and comment and share it with other people. And especially if you are not yet subscribed, subscribe to our channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.